You won't believe how much gardening has changed over the years. During World War II, victory gardens became a symbol of resilience, encouraging citizens to grow their own food amidst shortages. These grassroots efforts flourished as families planted vegetables in backyards and community plots, contributing to the war effort and promoting self-sufficiency. Fast forward to today, and we see a significant shift in gardening trends. Urban farming has emerged as a powerful movement, transforming rooftops, vacant lots, and even balconies into productive spaces. Urban agriculture focuses on sustainability, local food production, and community engagement, adapting to the modern urban lifestyle. Innovations like vertical gardens and hydroponics are now commonplace, allowing city dwellers to cultivate fresh produce in small areas. Despite the differences, both movements share a common goal: empowering individuals to take control of their food sources. Whether through victory gardens or contemporary urban farms, gardening continues to connect people with nature and their communities, fostering a sense of purpose and food security in an ever-changing world.